Today, we will introduce how to quickly create sales order lines using our part search function. First, we click New, select New Order to create new order. Then, search and select Customer ID. Input customer PO number if any, and select Need by Date. Then, click Save. Next, move to the Part Search tab. In this tab, you can search part by many criteria. For example, in this case, we can search by part number. Then, input quantity for part that you want to add to sales order. If you want to add another part, just continue to search for it and input quantity. You can also check available quantity and on-hand quantity for each part in each warehouse. This will make it easier to allocate part quantity for each sales order. You can also search by part description. If you try to add a part which is not enough available quantity, for example, wood door in this case. After clicking Add to Order button, system will create order lines for all parts that you input quantity. If there is a part that does not have enough available quantity, system will warn users to check. When process is completed, order updated message will pop up. Then, you can check 4 order lines that system have generated. If needed, you can modify other information. Then, click Save. Thanks for watching.